the generation gap can lead to different problems because each generation has unique experience, value and perspectives shaped by the social, cultural and technological context of their time. The generation gap exists when the two groups have a long age difference. I sociologists initially explored the concept of a generation divide in the 1960s. The generation gap influences many facts of society including fashion, way of life, language, etc. The generation gap can lead it. The generation gap is a term which is given to the gap between two generations, the younger generation and their elders, especially between children and their parents. Everything is affected with the change of the time. The generation